Our solar DC fans are highly energy efficient. In fact, 12 watts takes just 0.7 amp load and can run with our smallest device, Angel or Roo, for more than 8 hours. It has inbuilt PWM speed controller which can adjust speed as per the need. The PWM speed regulator also saves the motor in case of high voltage and is designed to be used to run directly through solar panel of 12 volt, which in fact gives up to 22.5 volt DC. This fan can also run on 230 watt AC with adapter not included or through our devices or directly from battery and also directly from our 50 watt solar panels. Our fans come with 1-year warranty. Made in India, made for the planet. Jai Hind.